In this video, I'll go over the 8 steps you need to take to add a business credit card to the Chase app. First, open the Chase app on your phone, then log into your account. From there, once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the bottom menu of the app. Now select the option to add an account or link an account. Then choose the option for adding a credit card and select the type of card, so in this case business, you want to add. Then enter the required information such as the card number, expiration date and security code. Now follow the prompts to complete the verification process, and finally, once the card is successfully added, you should be able to view and manage your business credit card account through the Chase app. Now if you encounter any issues adding your business credit card to the app, you can contact Chase customer service for help and support. So now you know how to add a business credit card to the Chase app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.